Hey, what's up everybody? This is Tatrix, and I'm coming to you with a vlog today, and I'm going to talk about the importance of technology. Now, I can't even describe the importance of technology. What is taping right now in front of me? A camera. What do we normally use when we want to text somebody or we want to communicate with somebody when they're not in front of me? A phone. What do we want to do all day? Watch TV. Technology is everywhere, and it's what makes the human race so just who we are. Like, technology has always been here. When we have the caveman days when they always do the whole wheel thing, trying to create the wheel. They always like they pick that on cartoons and stuff. We came a long way, and I congratulate the human race for that. So yeah, like, people would say we don't need technology and technology is whatever. We don't really need that. Oh, why don't you go outside and pick up basketball and play some? Why don't you go outside and run for a day? Alright, so say if you didn't have a car, this is for people who don't have a car. What if I need to get to work? What are you gonna do? You're gonna go stand at a bus stop all day and wait for the bus stop and hope that it actually comes when you need it to? No, I'm gonna pull my phone out. I'm gonna look at the bus schedule from the internet, which is connected to the phone, and I'm going to search up a schedule and hopefully I can get to work on time. If I don't, well, that's just bad luck on you. But I have a car. What is a car? Technology. Technology is everywhere, and there's nothing else that you can't say about that. So yeah. So those people who keep saying we don't need technology, you are wrong. You are dead wrong. This is Tatrix, and I'm out of here. Peace.